Ka-cha! Ta-da! Celty cooks. Hello, welcome to the 4th of July edition of Celty Cooks. Today we'll be preparing something almost as American as civil disobedience in the face of unjust leadership. The juiciest burgers ever, with garlic and herb. Here's everything we'll need for these delectable burger boys. We'll be making 4 quarter pounders. The ingredients will also be listed in the description below. Please remember to be careful when using a knife. Make sure you use the claw hand technique and not the one that I'm using, which is the no claw hand technique. Put the beef in a mixing bowl and crack an eggie in there. The egg serves as a binder for the meat and the other ingredients we'll be adding. Now add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and bazam! Now add a half a cup of the garlicky and herby breadcrumbs. Ka-cha! Next is the 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Finally, we throw in all that garlic we yeeted up earlier. Now get it all mixed up in there, you dummy. Once it's all mixed up, indent the meat into 4 sections so you have a good idea of how much to take off when you form your dang burger bugs. Scoop up the meat and form it into a nice even patty. You could even roll it around on its side if you wanted to get a nice even edge. Cook the burgers to 165 and add some cheese if you're feeling like a freak. And here we are, Anonymous. A very tasty boy got for dinner, just like the founding fathers intended. Stay safe out there and enjoy your meal, Anonymous. Mwah!